Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a what I eat in a day video. I love watching these styles of videos, so I just thought that why not make my own. I wanted to put it out there that I do try to eat as much plant-based as possible. I am not a vegetarian, I am not a vegan. I hate all these type of labels that, I don't know, labels are not for me. I like to eat what I eat. I do consume a little bit of dairy here and there, and I do eat chicken from time to time. I am trying to lose the rest of the baby weight that I gained with my 1-year-old daughter, but that does not mean that I don't indulge or eat a strict diet. And I find these types of videos really fascinating and interesting, so I might do more if you guys enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, here we go. Lena, here. And the first thing that I do obviously for breakfast is grab my coffee, and this is the creamer that I have on hand right now. I'm not really too picky about that. And then I wasn't that hungry this morning, so I just cut myself a mango and I share that with my daughter. Now for lunch I was too lazy to cook, so I ordered some pho, and I got the veggie pho with fried tofu, and oh my god, I forgot how good this was because I usually don't get it that often, but I put all the toppings and all the sauce and I make it extra spicy, and it was so good. So I don't really have a lot of food that's prepped. I like to meal prep or like cook in bulk. So I have food for a couple days and I don't have any leftovers. So I'm gonna start cooking today, or I'm gonna cook right now for dinner, and then I'll probably have it for maybe a couple more days. And what I've been doing is called shelf cooking, which I got from Jordan Page on YouTube. I think she also has a website, funcheaperfree.com, and I'll link it down below. But it's called shelf cooking. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. And what you essentially do is you gather all the items, like forgotten items in your pantry, like can of beans, pasta, whatever it is, and then you come up with a recipe, or you come up with what you can like cook. So I know I have some fire roasted tomatoes, some beans, I'll cook some rice, maybe make some type of like burrito bowl style type thing. And yeah, so I'll show you guys what I'm gonna come up with. While my tofu is draining over here, I have some frozen veggies that I just had in there that I have to use up. And I'm just going to do a couple because I find myself when I do a lot of veggies, they kind of just go bad when I cook them, just because sometimes I get bored of them. And I'm going to season them with some garlic powder, some Old Bay, and some lemon pepper. And I'm going to put some oil here, just a tiny bit, and just going to put and I don't like my broccoli fully cooked. I just like it when it's a little bit charred like this. So I'm going to remove that. And then I'm going to add the tofu on here. This batch right here that I'm cooking, I'm not going to season at all. In this one, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon pepper, garlic powder, and Old Bay. I don't like to have all my tofu seasoned just because I save it for other meals, and just in case I want to have like a taco dinner or like an Asian dinner, I put different sauces on them. So yeah. So this was the final product. I had some leftover rice and beans, and I put everything together. I heated everything up, and I topped it with this buffalo sauce. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my first What I Eat in a Day video, and if you want to see more of my content, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!